Hey kids, today we've got these great foam stickers. These are construction vehicles stickers. And let's open them up. Let's see. We're gonna stick them onto this white paper. And whoa, look, lots of beautiful, you know what, maybe you want to see it here, let's put it here. Wow, that's, what's that? Well, that's a wheel loader. That's a wheel loader. And that's a crane with a basket. And that's that's forgot the word. I'll say it in a few seconds. And that's an excavator. An excavator. An excavator. And that's truck. That's another crane. And that's another, that's a bagger. Looks like an excavator, but it's not. Although it looks almost the same. No, it looks the same. It's the same. It's a bagger, an excavator with chains. And let's see. It's another crane. Oh, look, that's a crane, but with a fork. That's another wheel loader. That's a tractor. Look. That's a cement mixer. Now we've got 3 of them. So, cement mixer. Cement mixer. And another cement mixer. And another tractor. I want to see all those. Wow, look. It's very detailed. Dirt. We've got the road sign left. We've got the stop sign. See the stop sign? No entrance sign. No entrance sign. And a right sign. That's a no U-turn. No U-turn sign. Well, another no U-turn sign. That's a working conus or something like that. And that's a sign that I don't really know what it is. Sign, road sign. Well, this is it. Let's see them all again. That's a cement mixer. That's a wheel loader. That's a crane with a basket. That's a bagger or an excavator. That's a truck. It's another crane. That's another bagger. That's a tractor. And that's the crane. Cement mixer, wheel loader, and that's a crane with a basket and road signs. This is it. Hope you enjoyed it.